Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Program.exe or COM Surrogate has stopped working, you get this error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. Now let's say that it is with a specific program. So try running it as an administrator. Search for it, right click on it and select run as administrator. Try running it as an administrator if it helps. But if it still doesn't work, then search for UAC or user account control in the Windows search bar and click on change user account control settings. Whatever the bar is, pull it one level lower and then click on OK to save the settings and try opening it again. You as an administrator again this time. And if that doesn't help either, then simply reinstall the program. Search for it in the Windows search bar, click on uninstall and then uninstall it. Open the Microsoft Store, I mean preferably the Microsoft Store to reinstall it. If it is not available on the Microsoft Store, that's a different case. Search for it in the Microsoft Store. Once it appears, then you can click on this option here to install it. Okay. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.